Welcome to the deep dive.
Eh.
Today, we're really zeroing in on something pretty vital. Protein. Its role in your diet and how you feel day to day.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got some great info here, sort of breaking down the basics.
Exactly. And the plan for this deep dive is pretty simple.
Yep.
Pull out the key benefits, find some practical food sources.
Maybe easy to understand.
Right. So you feel informed, maybe see some positive shifts, but without needing like a PhD in nutrition.
Yeah, cutting through the noise straight to what matters.
Okay, so let's just jump right in. The first big thing, and the source mentions this clearly, is that protein helps you feel full. Satiety.
Right. Keeps you feeling full and satisfied. That's the quote.
Yeah, it seems simple, but that feeling, it really changes things, doesn't it?
Oh, definitely. Less temptation to snack constantly.
Exactly. Less reaching for, whatever's handy an hour after you ate.
And there's a science to it. It actually affects your hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin more than carbs or fats do.
Hormones. Okay.
Yeah, so it tends to lower the I'm hungry signal, ghrelin, and boost the I'm full signal, leptin, so you feel satisfied for longer.
Ah, okay. So it's a genuine biological thing, not just feeling stuffed.
Precisely. It's a sustained effect.
Okay, good. Now, benefit number 2, also highlighted here, muscle repair. This is probably the one people think of first, right?
It's definitely the most well-known, and for good reason, but it's not just for bodybuilders.
Right, not just gym muscles.
Exactly.
That's
Your
right.
body is constantly, repairing itself, everyday wear and tear on tissues. And protein provides the essential amino acids, the actual building blocks needed for that constant repair and rebuilding, athlete or not.
So it's like ongoing maintenance. Keeping everything running smoothly. Makes sense.
Yep.
Okay, the third key benefit mentioned here might be a little less obvious for some: blood sugar regulation. How does protein fit in there?
Yeah, that's a great point. It's different from carbs, which, break down into glucose pretty fast.
Right, sugar rush, then crash.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Protein digests much more slowly. Okay.
So that gradual process helps keep your blood sugar levels much more stable. You avoid those big spikes and the inevitable crashes that follow.
Which leaves you feeling tired and probably craving more sugar.
You got it. It helps even things out.
So building meals isn't just about less sugar, but also more protein strategically.
That's a really good way to put it.
Now, this info also helpfully lists some really good practical protein sources, things like eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese.
Yeah, tofu's on there, nuts, seeds, nut butters too.
It's a pretty, accessible list. Nothing too wild.
Absolutely. And the variety is key, I think. You've got breakfast covered with eggs or yogurt,
Fake options, yeah.
easy snacks like nuts or seeds, and then versatile stuff like tofu
Yeah.
for meals. It shows you don't need some complicated, expensive plan.
Right. A couple eggs, maybe some Greek yogurt later, throw some nuts on a salad. Simple changes.
Totally doable.
Okay, so let's quickly wrap this up. Key takeaways. Protein helps with feeling full.
Satiety.
Crucial for muscle repair, the ongoing kind. Maintenance.
And helps keep blood sugar levels from going, haywire.
Stabilizes them. And those foods we listed, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, nuts, seeds, nut butters, are all great ways to get it in.
Really accessible stuff.
So maybe a final thought for everyone listening. Just think about your own routine. Which one of those foods could you realistically add more often?
Yeah, like what's the easiest switch?
Exactly. And then just, pay a little attention, see how you feel, notice your energy, your fullness between meals.
See if it makes a difference for you personally. A little experiment.
It's a simple way to see that impact firsthand.